Hey y'all, I am so excited to talk to you today about our virtual painting classes. We have absolutely loved offering these and gotten such great feedback for them. It's been one of my absolute favorite things to do. I have always had a passion for teaching, so it is so amazing to be able to teach these classes to all of you in the comfort of your homes. The virtual painting workshops are taught from a beginner standpoint, so you could take these classes if you've never picked up a paintbrush. They are also great if you're a professional artist because you get to see a different perspective and get to have a glimpse into my process as an artist, which I think as an artist, the more perspectives that you gain, the better that you're going to be able to create and to find your own voice. We've done a variety of subjects for these classes. We have floral classes, sailboats, marshes. I know we have some more landscapes and different subject matter coming in the future. I often do polls on my Instagram to gain feedback of what you're wanting to take for future classes, so be sure to follow me at Brooke and you'll be able to voice your opinion there. So my classes are taught in a 2-hour time frame, but since you're taking it virtually, you have the opportunity to press pause and take it at your own pace. We think that these classes are amazing because right now, at a time where we're all over the world, we can come together virtually and connect and be together even though we're apart. We've had people take these from all over the world, from Australia, Pakistan, Canada, France, then pretty much everywhere in the US. So it's just a really cool opportunity to live in a day where we can come together even though we're all over the world and create art together. These classes are great to do with if you have any type of organization, if you're an employer and you want to bring your employees together for team building exercises, or if you have a youth group and you want to do an activity with them, or birthday parties, or Father's Day, Mother's Day, whatever you're celebrating, this is a great way to do it. And the cool thing about it is that you can celebrate from different places. We've had different people take these classes and then communicate with their own group via FaceTime or a Zoom call. So they're all kind of taking it together from afar, which is amazing. So we announce our new classes via Instagram and our mailing list. So you can follow me at Brooke and hop on our mailing list at cbrookring.com. On the homepage of our website, just scroll down and you'll see a place where you can hit subscribe so that you can stay in the know. We have a selection of classes that we've previously recorded live that are available for purchase now that you can take at your leisure whenever you want. And we also are trying to do new classes as much as possible. So if you sign up for the mailing list and follow us on Instagram, you will be the first to know when new classes are going to be added to the website. If you do paint along, we ask that you tag us when you share photos on social. You can tag us at @CBrookeRing and #CBrookePaint. That way we can see everyone's beautiful paintings and we can all cheer each other along and form this amazing community and feel like we're painting together. When you sign up for a class on cbrookring.com, you'll get an immediate download with a PDF. Inside that PDF is the link to your class and a supply list. So we don't include supplies in the purchase of our classes, but we give suggested supplies, and I try to teach everything with the framework of you can use whatever you have at home. If you have any questions about how to register, what you need, what the classes are like, feel free to email us at info@cbrookring.com. We'll do our best to get back to you and answer all of your questions, and we hope that you'll join us. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Bye y'all.